This is Gentle Spring Rain. I like this one. It's like 4 that stands out that I like personally. Actually, I wouldn't use all of these, but see, that's pretty, and it does put you in the mind if you're going to, a Gentle Spring Rain. I like this though. Heartbeat of the Wild. Oh yes. I really like that for some reason. Maybe it's because I have a bunch of animals and I'm feeling this. This I like. I'm like a ringtone. You go ahead, Sammy. Go ahead, Samsung. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know how to zoom in with this camera yet, but this is High Tide. This happy, jaunty little fellow. Let's speed this up. Jungle Drums. I like that too. What that says for me, huh? Then Jungle Trek. Something kind of dangerous about it. So, it's pretty good. Then it gets a little bit lovely and very jazzy, the notes that are in there. So, yeah. Midnight Picnic. Imagine that. Is this what a midnight picnic will sound like? I would think it would sound a bit more mysterious if you were going to be sneaking out or romantic enough to have a midnight picnic. Oh, hush, Caesar. Moonlit Beach. I don't like that one too much. Moonlit Reminiscences. Oh, look. I zoomed in for a minute. So what did I do? Okay, well, whatever it was. This is Mother Nature. Nice and soft and Mountain Temple. I like that one too, for some reason. I think it's the bells or something I like about that. Nighttime Oasis. See how clear the sound is though? You can hear all the instrumentation. There's nothing clouded or just is very, very clear. I do like that. I think that the speakers are great. Over the Horizon. Oh, that sounds familiar. There's a familiar one. But it's actually expanded to incorporate almost like a really symphonic type of song. You hear all the violins and the sitars, the different instrumentation, actually. It's very good. It's Raindrops. And you hear those drops. And then there's Rays of the Sun. They give you a plethora of ringtones. You would never run out before you even load your own. If you just want to go with the system UI tones, then this would be the way to go. Sea Breeze. They do actually sound very different from each other. And they do seem to incorporate, whoever worked on this project, as far as this portion of the phone or the sounds, they did an excellent job. It's excellent. This is Seaside. Get the focus again. Sparkling mist. Very pretty. Oh. Okay, let's speed this up. That's our ubiquitous T-Mobile jingle. We know what that is. The journey begins. Oh, look, that goes with that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
This is the no-face movement. That's Mystique's new intro song.
Oh, this is the secret forest. That's lovely. Tribal summoning. I like tribal summoning. So as you can see, listen to that. Sound like something Ninja Gaiden-ish or something. Uh-oh. Go. Or something off of Indiana Jones and Temple of Doom movie.
You want the edge here?
Stop it. This is underground pool. Underwater world. And walk on the seaside. I like that too. So there you have it, folks. I think I'll go back to that. Nice ringtones. But anyway, this is Mystique. I've been enjoying this device. I've loaded a couple of games on here. I have the MX player, the OnLive app. I'll go over some of those a little later. Of course, Netflix. Everyone is familiar pretty much with that. Some games that I play regularly is Star Legends, Rule of the Kingdom. Actually, these all play, of course, without a glitch or a hitch. I have the TSF shell loaded on here, and I haven't really loaded it up backstab, of course, like I normally do, but I'll go over some app reviews a little bit later. I just wanted to show you guys the ringtones that are only for this device here so far. There are some new ringtones that Samsung has introduced to us, and I love them. They're beautiful ringtones. They're quite nice. There is nothing like them. They do go with the whole nature thing, so I feel like they're excellent and very, very well executed. Well, this is Mystique. You can't stop the shining. See you in another video. Bye-bye.